Build a great prompt with Copilot for Microsoft 365. Welcome to M365 Professional. Work smarter, not harder. With Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365, all you need is the right prompt. Clear and specific prompts are key to getting AI-powered results faster. Just give Copilot relevant info about your goal, context, sources, and expectations. First, what's your goal? Use Copilot to catch up, create, or ask questions. Add some context. Why do you need it? And who's involved? Include a source. Where should Copilot turn for information or inspiration? How do you expect the response to look and sound? Consider tone, style, format, length, or structure. Not the result you expected. Refine your prompt in a snap. Discover new ways to work with Copilot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.